Dr. Diana V. Topacio for her invaluable contributions to the success of Notre Dame of Blessed Martyrs Senior High School graduation ceremony held at Notre Dame of Blessed Martyrs, Barangay Cabuco, Blessed Martyrs City, Cavite, Philippines, given this day of 30th of May, 2024, to be given by Ms. Joyce Ann M. Javier, our school principal.
Again, it is with great honor that we have you in today's graduation ceremony, Dr. Diana P. Topacio, the Chief School Governance and Operations Division, Level School Division of Cavite.
At this point, we will now proceed to the highlight of the program.
Congratulations, graduates, for the distribution of diplomas and awardings of medals and certificates. May we call on our school principal, Ms. Joyce Ann M. Javier, the Grade 12 Academic Coordinator, Ms. Baby Ann Amparo, Grade 11 Academic Coordinator, Ms. Maricris de Borja, K-10 Academic Coordinator, Mr. Elberson Salas, and IT Coordinator, Mr. Danilo Arceta Jr. For the parents of our awardees, you may accompany them on stage. Again, for the parents of our awardees, you may accompany them on stage. For the presentation of the graduates of 12 Step A to C, may we call on Ms. Jennifer Bueno.
Sa likod na nakadadan.
Presenting the graduates of Grade 12 from Science, Technology, Engineering,